Love and respect, everyone. Happy, blessed, peaceful New Year. It's December 31st, 2010. This is Roxanne, Grinage, higherlyrics.org. And that's Lorraine Grinage, the mother of mob assault abducted, court-ordered abuse, destroyed by Fern Brown Kaplan, Judge Robert J. Matthews, Timothy Pacente, and now a famous docket, all related. That's okay, go ahead. All related dockets, U.S. District Court, Pennsylvania Eastern District 209 CV 04119 MSG 209 CV 05448 BMS and 210 CV 00179 MSG Lorraine Grinage versus Sandra Sullivan, aggravated assaults upon minors while in the commission of Social Security disability fraud. We have a free sign-up class action. The citizens of Philadelphia, at least 50 families, are moving against a class action. We will file for $1 billion personal injuries cases and economic treason against Philadelphia Family Court, City of Philadelphia, DHS, Anne Marie Ambrose, Administrative Judge Kevin M. Dougherty, Anne Marie Ambrose, Margaret T. Murphy, Roberta Trembetta Esquire, Robert J. Matthews, Alice Beck DeBow, courtroom age, certain child advocates, certain court-appointed lawyers, certain privately retained lawyers, certain City of Philadelphia Legal Department, city solicitors for their individual criminal felony crimes that created a far too tragically large voter constituency of federal crime victim plaintiffs. The purpose of this $1 billion class action is to do three things. We will form constitutionally correct, lawful citizens' grand juries, which will not only indict the public officials, Mayor Michael Nutter and District Attorney R. Seth Williams, for being ineffective in keeping their oaths to uphold public safety and our U.S. constitutional rights in favor of the billing agendas of a state agency, DHS. We will form safe haven for those DHS abused and family court abused runaways that run away from abusive court-ordered foster care situations. We will also sign up for you can do free sign up for oppressive child support where there's fraudulent and triple billing of child support. No one is exempt. All professions, including City of Philadelphia employees, all the agencies, Philadelphia Housing Authority, SEPTA workers, no one is exempt. Doctors, lawyers, working class, students, impoverished, no one is exempt. Even police officers, no one is exempt from the voracious billing agendas created by the conflict of interest relationship shared with our state court, family court, domestic relations judges, Kevin M. Dougherty, sitting on the boards and being honored by conflict of interest, multi-million-dollar billing contractors, DHS agencies. We demand, the people will demand, form subpoenas upon Anne Marie Ambrose to disclose the whereabouts of Ezekiel Brown and Ariel Brown. A little girl named Kim escaped and told us what is going on at 48th and Fairmount, how it is systematic molestation, abuse of children, where perpetrators are actually paid to abuse, molest our children. Our children are sex slave trafficked and they are human trafficked, and there's personal injuries, loss of economy, loss of career contribution, obstruction of education. Anne Marie Ambrose, you are hereby ordered by Roxanne Grinage, Lorraine Grinage, the mother of Ezekiel Brown, to disclose the records, every record, to produce every record that you have on Ezekiel Kyle Brown, as ordered on March 10th by Judge Robert J. Matthews in his child abuse registry fraud order and judicial perjury order, adding to the 47 felony counts, which resulted in 144 citizens petitioning sign remove Judge Robert J. Matthews, where he ordered Eric Brown to bring the children to you. We want to know where they are, what happened to them, and no excuses has been published in the Daily News. It is so complicated, as you are quoted as saying in the Janice Brown story. You are being accused of, and we have proof of, deliberate records mismanagement, kidnap for profit, produce the whereabouts, an account for who got billed, who got transported, the health and safety of Ezekiel Brown and Ariel Brown. Roxanne Grinage versus Fern Brown Kaplan Esquire, U.S. District Court 209 CV 04119 MSG can be seen, the most latest lawful filing, all related dockets that shows docket never lies, child slaughter, U.S. economy fraud, court reform, state of emergency is measured in docket monitoring. Go to www.higherlyrics.org, download this free sign-up form. Join other families. We are going to sue $1 billion as a class action, and we will help you with your individual lawsuits as well. Everything from child support, your children transported, illegal, your children abused, you don't know where your children are, theft of heritage, vested interest, forced commercial transactions, and you can and should film all DHS caseworkers that insist on coming into your home. You should film their license plates, you should film their vehicles, and we need to find out where they live at so that there can be individual accountability for the horrific child slaughter, U.S. economy fraud, court reform, state of emergency underway. God bless everyone. Happy New Year to all. This is Roxanne Grinage, higherlyrics.org. Join the upcoming class action. $1 billion will sue City of Philadelphia, DHS, and we will follow New York's lead on November 10th, a massive civil rights child custody lawsuit, and name the Pennsylvania Unified Judicial Systems. God bless everyone.